Karibu sana naenda sense mega ya kabere mesema ya kuren soko ensa emo mbemo na soko endrago sanga na intu na bono togoska bosia sorobo turuko bwatia Esegi yokurwania AMRWA Atancheiri hase ekaunti ya Nakuru nigo yekire ni wase abantu gwetani 20 banyara ko babakobekwa byara korengana no motendro banyanyimbo ase ekaunti yo nigo bona atebire Esegi yo nigera cheko gendra koneke buna AMRWA yo ngosirara ase ekaunti yo haya nigagocha ne banekero mujumbe wense mo ibunge ya Nyeri town mushimwa Duncan MATHENGE aligetie kobeko muswada bosibwe bunge huyora cheko neke bonsi bali bakoenga na korosia AMRWA ya Atancheiri ayakorera goita abantu banyara ko babakwimukirwa egetambokero egetindikeri chiko buna yogosiekwa ase echera asobogima bwa
Aya baba kama hili ni yangu.
Aya muka haraka muka.
During the raid, we were able to net several boxes of uncustomed cigarettes. Also, we managed to net uncustomed, that is uncustomed cigarettes, oris, in 16 boxes. We netted also several second generation alcohol packed in crates and cartons. We also managed to net about 40 liters of ethanol, industrial ethanol, with also hydrogen peroxide, which is a catalyst to neutralize the ethanol, so that it can be given to unsuspected customers.
Any property owner in whose property illicit alcohol will be manufactured, that property will be forfeited to the state and sold. All equipment found in the manufacturing will also be forfeited to the state and sold. The proceeds from those sales will be 100% ring-fenced in the fight against the illicit brews. 40% will go towards providing treatment for the victims. 30% will go towards the enforcement agencies. 20% will go to NACADA, so that NACADA can improve, can build more state-of-the-art rehab centers for rehabilitating those who have been affected or addicted to alcohol.